Yo, what's good, YouTube gang? It's your boy Jambisco. You don't know, back in the music club with a banger, you know, people. Yeah, man, this is what we are dealing with today. Yeah, man, but before we even jump into the track, let me go ahead and ask y'all, how y'all doing today, man? Y'all been taking care of yourself? Y'all been staying prayed up? You been drinking your water? Make sure you've been taking steps to get closer to your goals and your dreams. Make sure you're not dark. I don't know, so we keep each other accountable over here. So make sure you're making every day count, and you taking steps towards your goals and your dreams. Okay, make sure you stay on your purpose, and make sure you're staying prayed up. Okay, I can't do you're not in a life without God and blessing. You see me? But yeah, man, guys, not to hold up the vibes much longer. See what we are dealing with today. We actually deal with an artist that's been requested. I got quite a few songs requested for this artist, but today we are check out a new tune. The other requests are coming, so stay tuned. Yeah, man, but today we are check out a new tune from Jahvillani entitled Godspeed. But before we jump into that, guys, if you're new to the channel, I want to take this time, go hit that like and subscribe button. Join the latest reaction channel, the latest reaction family on YouTube. You know we're taking over, man. Be a vibes and energy over here. So the Dan Mafia strong, the family strong. So trust me, you don't want to miss out. Do yourself a favor, hit that like and subscribe button. But yeah, man, guys, theoretical Jahvillani, Godspeed. And you don't know, Jahvillani is no stranger to the channel. Real dope artist, you know what I'm saying? Full of lyrics and metaphors and them thing there. You know what I'm saying? So me definitely interested to see what I'm dealing with today. Yeah, man. Jahvillani, yeah, man. You don't know, Jahvillani was, you know, one of the solo artists to drop in recent years. You know what I'm saying? He been doing his thing, been holding his own, even doing the beef with Six and other artists. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, man, I'm very excited to react to Jahvillani today. So yeah, man, we're not gonna roll up the vibes much longer. But you don't know, people, drop your comments in the comment section, drop your requests. If your request is selected, you will get your shout out and you will see your comments on the screen like always. You know what time it is. But yeah, man, I'm not gonna roll up the vibes much longer, guys. This is Jahvillani, Godspeed. Let's get it. One line there, I'm going for the audio, dog. Yeah, I'm gonna like when this happens, you know, dog, when my audio, I always sing to my soundbar instead of my headset. You know what I'm saying? But we're gonna jump right in that track right now. Yeah, man. Jump right in that track. This is Jahvillani, Godspeed. Let's get it.
Room. Room. Feeder, dog, me no wall break. Studio, me gone vice, coupled up clear. The 40s a fire, half dozen plus here. She say she want get in on me jeans. Step in on the scheme like retina me clean. Fuck a gal and her friend, them my regular me do it. Skiller than messy pan the field.
Yo, bro. I don't know what this beat is, but this beat is crazy, bro. It's kind of choppy. Yeah, this a different flow. I like that. Yeah, this is a beat and the flow different, Javi. Let's get it.
Me no real boy where ya everybody G. Sell out for sweet, so no get him my receipt. Chat him up, boy you.
Me no real boy where everybody G. Sell out for sweet, somebody get him out. What? Hey, yeah, man, I real shit, man. Yeah, man.
Chat him up, boy you with dead inna the treat with your head inna your teeth, make everybody see. Cause I like bad girls and fast cars and the pass by with a crew full of all-star violence.
And I like bad girls and bad cars. What you mean? And the crew full of all-stars. I want to tell you, man, yeah, man, Javi, me rate this. Come in.
We blast.
I got a drum on that bit. You know what I'm saying? Boy, I got a drum on that shit. You know what
I'm walk on. Speeder. Dog, me no wall breaks. Studio, me gone vice, coupled up plate. The 40s a fire, half dozen plus 8. As a talk, it a fire.
Boy, Javi there in a blood clean. I don't know. If you come from Florida, y'all know where that is. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, you do some.
If you come from Florida, you know what I'm saying? You know where this at. You know what I'm saying? This the ends right here, nigga.
Anyway, me can't feel me gun straight. If 40s a fire, half dozen plus 8. Part of my gun back at the front gate.
Talking at the Corvette, you know, and I see here. You know what I'm saying? Easy on me, G.
Clean like a cold beer, boy, work for me cheddar. Goodie man clear shirt with the leather. I may never go a turkey for them.
Bro, I like Montclair, one of my favorite brands, bro. You know what I'm saying? Man, work for me cheddar. Check the man clear with the leather. I want to you, man, be yourself.
Fat pussy girl a twerk for the Jenna A curve. If Priscilla don't curse with my brother, me we burst the Beretta. Cold than the weather, get a fur for me sweater. This back a villa better work with the pressure. Wild side money dirty forever. Cause I like bad girls and
yeah, man, me like this. You see me, me like this. This is a vibe. This is a vibe. I like the beat and the energy. The flow is crazy too. Come on, Javi. Yeah, man.
Fast guys and the bass bar with a crew full of all-stars. Violate, we blast can and walk on. Boy, head fly for
violate and we blast can and we walk gun. I want to hear from you.
Fire and pass miles. Then I'm a car and I listen dance all. We be burning like Sean Paul. Bad mind boy, well, one man fall. But me still a shoe blank in your girl sala.
We be burning like Sean Paul. I want some bad mind boy, one man fall, eh? Easy, mama. Yeah, man. Like, yeah, man. Right, pass on the right time. Be of yourself.
Gunman speeder. Dark me no wall break. Studio my gun vice coupled up plate. If what is a fire half dozen plus 8. As a talk it a fire, yo I do some bait. Anyway, me can't feel me gun straight. If what is a fire half dozen.
Speed off with no wall breaks. I want to you. Anywhere we go, we carry guns straight. 40 a blast off.
Plus 8. Party my gun park at the front gate. Jump out. Clean like a Colgate. Yeah, man. Room. Yo, oh, whoa.
Yeah, man, me like the flow. Javi. Easy, no? Yeah, man.
YG. Rukum Peng.
Rukum.
Dog with no wall break. Studio we can vice coupled up plate.
Yeah, man.
Studio we can vice coupled up plate.
Rukum Peng.
Anyway, me can't feel my gun straight. 40s.
Can't feel me gun straight. I want to you, dog. Yeah, man, he got speed off, man. I want to you. This a vibe of energy, dog. Yeah.
Fire half does a plus 8. Government. Speeder.
Yeah, that half dozen plus 8. 14 that carry down. Yo, dog, they up on the ends, man. Everybody, yeah, if you never fly that, you know, yeah, man, you know it, dog. Easy now, man.
If I'm a King Cam shoot this, it's not shoot good, brother.
Easy, King Cam.
See you free.
So King Kong, they are Florida here too. King Kong, big up yourself. Jahvillani, big up yourself. Yeah, man, Godspeed. People want to think about the one day. Yeah, man, I like that. That was dope. The energy was high. The flow was different. I like how the starting was kind of choppy, like a different flow. The beat was kind of, yeah, man, I like the one the people, you know? That was crazy. That was real dope. Yeah, man, people, let me know what you think about that one. Drop your comments in the comment section. You know what I'm saying? And if you like it, definitely go show the artist some love and support. Let me know what's your favorite part was. The beat, the melody, the lyrics, the video, the overall. Just let me know what's your favorite part, man. I will definitely discuss in the comment section. Also, let me know where you're watching from. Yeah, Zimmy, let me know where you're watching from. And you know what I'm saying, what you want me to react to next, and I'll get it done. You don't know, do it over here, man. Yeah, man, let me know. And if you already know, if your song choice, your request is chosen, you will get a shout out. You're gonna see your name on the screen and all that, and you're gonna see the comments and all that. You know what I'm saying? Just like always. But yeah, man, guys, that was Jahvillani, Godspeed. Yeah, man, real dope track. I enjoyed that one. Definitely go show out to some love and support. Let me know what to react to next. You don't know what time it is. Until next time, guys, you don't know your boy Jambisco was here and hitting and smashing up. Bang! Till next time, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys, and I'm out.